Alright guys, so some of you have asked to see the mods that I've done on the CBR. I think she's finished now. I think I've finished with all the mods, at least as far as I know. So here we go. She looks very, very different from when I bought it. Obviously I said I wouldn't do many changes, but yeah, we all know that was a complete lie. I've changed a lot since I bought it a year ago. So let's go through the list. Bike has a Devil exhaust with a straight pipe that was custom made for this bike. Obviously there's no cat, there's nothing, it's just almost straight pipe. I still use it with a silencer, otherwise it will be too unbalanced, the noise will be too much. Then we've done braided steel hoses for the brakes, of course. I did a rear reservoir delete with a little red cap as well. Carbon frame covers from Pro Fiber. We've got engine case covers in black from R&G. LSL crash bobbins in red as well, so they're aluminium to make them red. I've got a little oil case cover, or oil cover, oil lid, oil bolt, oil something something in red as well. I bought a underfairing in black, and I had some custom stickers made in red to make it all red. Then we've got bar end weights in red, shorty levers in red as well, aftermarket Rearview mirrors with integrated indicators. We've got a double bubble by Fabri, which is very, very high quality. We've got front indicators as well in LED. Again, front braided steel hoses. This is race setup, so they're individually bolted to the main hydraulic pump, so to the main front brake. Then little detail there is the little LED. Obviously these are little details. Red screws for the double bubble. The double bubble is not black, all right? It's dark tinted, because black you wouldn't see anything when you're riding. Then of course we've got some wheel stripes. It does give it a much better look. Suspension protectors in case of a drop or in case of something. Suspension was also revised. Opened up, everything was swapped. It was also painted in black. It was originally in gray. Coming to this side again, almost the same thing. So carbon frame covers. Then we've got the crash bobbins there, the paddock bobbins there, and that is basically it. I actually forgot. We've got a fuel cover in red, Hyper Pro steering damper. This is a very, very poor quality tank protector, very, very poor quality. This needs to be swapped. And this is it. That's the general look of the bike. I think it does look honestly great, especially for a bike that is this old. This is a 2004 model, so it's, let's say, pretty old. But yeah, any other questions you have, just let me know. I'll try to answer them in the comments. I'm also going to link a video of the before, because I actually did a walk around before I started all the mods, so you guys can actually see it. Anything you need to know, again, just let me know and we'll get it done, and I'll answer as fast as possible.